TV shows don't appeal to me. I choose to do other, more productive stuff than watching TV. I can curb my addiction to certain TV shows. I choose to set a daily schedule for watching TV. I am capable of sticking to my daily schedule. I am fully aware of the negative effects of watching too much TV. I can let go of my addiction and live a more productive and meaningful life. I choose to watch only meaningful and valuable TV shows. I choose to go out and meet new friends instead of staying at home to watch TV. I am fully aware that some television shows can rob me of precious mental energy.